So you want to make your deck look better but don't know where to start? Well, staining the deck is a great way to freshen the look whilst also highlighting the natural grain and protecting the timber from the weather. To get started, we firstly need to prepare the timber. Make sure you wear suitable protective gear. Scrub the timber with Valspar Deck and Timber Cleaner Brightener and rinse thoroughly with fresh water to remove all traces of the cleaner. This will lift any dark patches and ensure you get a nice, even finish. Then allow to dry for 2 days in good conditions. Now you're ready to start staining. Make sure you stir your product thoroughly before and during use. Firstly, cut in around all the edges. Then apply 2 coats with a clean, dry, good quality paintbrush or flat applicator pad, making sure you get into the nooks and crannies. Apply along the entire length of 2 to 3 boards at a time, working the stain well into timber with a brush or applicator pad. Lay off along complete lengths of the deck to avoid lap marks so you get a nice even finish. Maintain a wet edge by working back into previously stained areas while it's still wet. Only apply as much stain as the timber will readily absorb. Apply a second coat once the first coat is dry, usually about 2 hours. Then let the second coat dry for at least 16 hours before anyone starts walking on it. And there you go, an exterior timber deck with a beautiful high quality finish, stained in a day. For more tips on how to stain and paint like a pro, check out the rest of our how-to series at changeinaday.nz.